Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Jabra Connect 5T noise canceling Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they're not syncing or pairing with your device, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. And it's quite simple to do. You will need to set them up again because everything will be wiped off of them. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason, you just want to set these earbuds up as a brand new set of earbuds and have everything wiped off of it so that you can use them just like you're taking them out of the box, we can do this really easily. We just need to place the earbuds in the case with the lid open as shown here. And we're just going to come in and press and hold the back button on both earbuds for 10 seconds. Just keep holding it until the LEDs on the earbuds flash in pink. And just keep, once they flash in pink, we can let go and allow them to complete their reset, and they'll continue flashing in pink until the reset is complete. At which point, when it stops flashing in pink, you can go ahead and set these earbuds up as a brand new set of earbuds.